something happened. Very, very bad.
What are you doing?
I'm filming. The ants are eating him. And there's a little bit of blood in there. Very sad. But we still got one left. And we don't want it to break. Hope the mommy birdie doesn't see me. Oh, is that an ant? My gosh. Daddy! Never mind. It's just flies. I thought there were ants eating the other eggie. We don't want these. We don't want my brother to know. He would cry. Okay, tell me in the comments below. Do you want us to keep the egg? Or let the mommy bird have it instead of put it inside our house? I want to keep it. But we probably can't. That's so sad. Bye-bye. I took this